I still can't believe I was brave enough to do this. If you want to do Burning Man all year, do van life. In the last video, I evacuated Central Oregon due to the smoke and road trip to the Oregon coast to a town called Toledo for a van life meetup. Toledo is another logging town, but here's what's cool about it. It's often warmer and sunnier than other towns during the winter because of its isolated location just a short distance from the coast. That makes a lot of sense because it's been overcast on the coast in Newport and it's been sunny and nice in Toledo since I've been here. I had about 6 pounds of ground beef in my freezer and some ice cubes, so I did some shopping before heading to the meetup. Okay, ready. I'm gonna go to the top of the hill and get a clip of all of the vans this weekend. We had karaoke last night, we had a HIIT workout this morning, and I've seen a lot of familiar faces. It's been a lot of fun. It's Friday and I'm expecting it to be a really great weekend. Clear skies, it's a smaller event. It's easier to meet people at smaller events. So I should make a lot of new van life friends this weekend. I'm excited. It's just really cool to run into people, not even at meetups. Some of these people I've just seen on the road and chatted with. There was a lady I met in Lake Havasu and that was pretty cool. Like just running into van lifers all over the country, you know, and it's nice to just hear where they've been and what's changed over the last 6 months or whatever. Just getting recommendations for like spots when, you know, you're in Oregon and everybody's like, oh, you should go to Hood River and a lot of amenities there, and just getting recommendations from van lifers in the area you're in because it's not your typical tourist information. It's, you know, van specific tourist information, right? We're definitely a niche. So anyways, it's been a lot of fun so far and the weather's great. It's probably like in the 80s right now. It's been chill. Okay, there's the van event right there by the river. This hill is so steep. I had to get a tour of this guy's box truck. I thought it was so cool and personal. So this is Kurt's rig. Lucas, Logan, what are y'all watching? What? Oh, that's an old one. And then I guess that these are y'all's bunk beds. Very cool. I just made it. It is so nice down here. It's cool. There's a breeze and I can breathe, most importantly. Here's a van lifer, maybe. One of the vendors doing a demo for their Kickstarter. I think the point of these stainless steel pans is that the handle is removable, so they're durable and compactable. It's a lot of bowls. Removable and compactable.
Next I'm gonna make is called a Fahrenheit.
If you like charcuterie, TJ's laid out a lovely charcuterie board by the bar. To have some of the charcuterie, you must buy a beer at the bar.
Next is a caravan tour. Thank you, Bob, and merch show on Life Caravan. Those are the two things.
On down, and I'm going to kick us off with one of my
Not much better.
No, I was just gonna put if you got the salted peanuts, we need them.
I don't have salted peanuts.
We're the bunkhouse too. We're working this mic.
All right. I'm running this morning and I just came across this mural. Let me show you. Celebration time. But what I thought was cool about it was that it was like a mosaic. It looks like there is quite a bit of art in this town.
There is no such thing as cheap gas down there. It is all very expensive. Makes you wish you were in California.
So for all you sprinter drivers, all your Storyland over. To our sponsors, the Handy Van, man. Peter Pinos. There we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got Team Name versus Team Beardsley playing for the championship of the tug of war. The winner of this doesn't get anything just yet because we've got a few competitions ahead. You ready? As soon as Leroy drops the cup, that's when you start pulling. Get that anchor set.
Bro, Masters, fuck!
And go! Yeah! Oh, yeah. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, Beard, oh. Will Beardsley come back? So close, so close, so close. Oh! Team Name has already won. All right, congratulations, Team Name. And a team with TJ on it remains undefeated in every fan life Olympics. He has never lost a title.
He anchored. I was watching him. Like, oh, oh my god. What were the other events? Wow, we messed up, man. We played last time with the they didn't have a door. Low as fuck, like that. Okay. I hope my fans are proud of me.
You got this, buddy.
Look at this man. He didn't have a childhood. Every day he spent practicing joints.
How many years? Power pose. Power pose. Lion's breath. Lion's breath.
This feels.
This is the artistic, it's like the dance portion of ice skating. Figure skating. Yeah, does she like the fatties? Does she like them thicker? Does she like them longer?
Oh, you already know the answer to that.
Whoa! Oh, yeah.
A little bit of a false start there. I saw it.
That's all right.
Remember, everyone, tag Leroy Furwood and all your joint rolling
Come on,
needs.
John. You got this.
Leroy Furwood disappointing his mother since 1980.
Oh, wow.
Whoa! Oh, my gosh. She's smoking
Oh, he's absolutely ripping up.
The one where he's like, sorry, I'm in jail.
John is second.
Great sense.
You got third.
Tyson.
She's licking it. She's licking
Oh, my
it. She's
God.
sticking
This
it.
is so ugly. I don't have roll.
Let's go, John. Style matters, though. Style
Yeah,
matters.
way more difficult. So go ahead.
Drop
Go.
us a time.
Take your straps to the ground.
You did a great job. Starting up right away. No need the second light.
The win. Wow. All right.
Amazing.
Okay. I have an update. That is the last van event.
Oh, my gosh.
Most likely because here's the scores. If we lose, we know Matt got 7.
I had to do the cornhole tournament, and the gal that played with me, we got second. Just saying. Alicia?
And like the doctor is this woman, she's like, Ringo Obstinato. Stubborn Ringo. It's like, you're lucky to be alive.
Oh, cheddar is fantastic. Oh, you're welcome.
Yay!
Sweet cheese. And like, also, I love all your outfits. Thank you.
Oh, they're just biking off the dock? Maybe this will be make up for the lack of content I got this weekend.
What the hell, man? You slacking.
I know.
All them peeps wondering what's going on.
I still can't believe I was brave enough to do this.
about to get shut down?
When you get it wrong.
When you get it really wrong. When you get it really wrong.
Let's get
Full
this
speed
cheek.
down the ramp.
Normal cheek.
Hey, I got it the second time. Yeah, look, everything's fucked up. Everything.
When van life doesn't work.
The wild places, the dirt path, pine needle, ozone air. There is a comfort when I find myself alone.
Roller skate night. We got like 4 of us out here. Then Sunday night ended with roller skating and chatting by the fire.